Hey guys, it's Tori. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So in today's video, I'm going to walk you through engraving a spatula for Father's Day. And I purchased this specific spatula at the Dollar Tree. Since it's my first time engraving a spatula, I thought it would be good to practice on the Dollar Tree items instead of something super expensive. But either way, I think this would be a great gift regardless. So first thing to do is open Cricut Design Space and click New Project. And we are going to insert a shape. And I'm going to use the rounded box, and I'm going to use this as my template. So let's go ahead and put in the measurements that I'm going to need. And I'm going to change the color to just a light gray. And then I just am changing the color, just I think it might be a little easier to see. It's not so dark. Okay. Then we're going to insert a text. And I'm going to write what I want inside. And let's put we flippin' love you. Get it, flippin'? Since it's a spatula. Okay, so let's go ahead and align it to the center, and we're going to unlock it and just drag it in until it's the size that you want onto the spatula. So let's go ahead. I think that looks good. And it actually defaulted to the font that I wanted to use, which is No Parking. And this is a really good font for engraving. And I can leave the link below where I got it. And it's free, so that's always good as well. And we want to hit attach. And what I'm doing is just attaching the verbiage together. I'm not attaching it to the box because this box we're just using as a template. Then we're going to go to operations and change it to engrave. And now we're ready to go ahead and hit make it. So I'm going to go ahead and just put an X here to delete the template. Or if you want to save it, you can just put a line through it. Okay, so now we are ready. I would hit save if you haven't already and name it. And let's go ahead and hit make it. Okay, so now we need to drag the verbiage down and place it at the bottom of the mat. And the reason we're doing that is because since we are engraving the spatula, you don't, well, it's not that you don't want it to, it can't go through the Cricut machine. So if you place it further back on the mat, then it'll go up and stop, and it won't go, and it will engrave, it won't go all the way through. I hope I explained that correctly. So now what we're going to do is turn this way, just drag it and rotate it. And because the way we're placing the spatula, we need the verbiage to be the correct way, so that's why we're rotating it. And I'm going to place it on the 10 mark, just a little bit above the 10 mark. And I am going to pay attention to where I placed it as well. I'm going to place it between the 5 and the 7 and a little bit before on the 10 mark. So now we know when we tape it to the mat, we're going to place it between these specific numbers. And then we're going to hit continue. Browse all material. And we are using stainless steel. So we'll just type in stainless, select stainless steel, done. And then we're going to load the mat, and then we're ready to go. Okay, so here's our mat, and this is the spatula that we're going to use. And I'm going to use painter's tape to tape it. And let's go ahead and bring this up. We're going to have it up like this because obviously it can't go all the way into the machine. And we are going to line it up. Actually, it's like, if you can see this little, it's like the indentation where it goes and lays out. We're gonna use that as like a reference, and we're gonna place that at 10. So we're gonna have that at 10, between 10, okay, so 10 here, and then up 5 and 7. Okay, and so let's go ahead and tape this down like this. And let's hold it there for just a second while I try to get more tape. Okay. Okay, so we have it at 10. We're lining it up to that line. So let's, actually we should do this first here to kind of support it. And then there. And it's going to need a lot of tape because you don't want it to move. So let's just do a little bit here. And a little bit there. And then I'm going to get some on the sides. And then we'll want to double check our measurements or our where we placed it on Cricut Design Space, and just double check and make sure we have it in the right area. Okay, so this is the engraving tool number 41, and I'm going to go ahead and place it in here and close it. And now we're going to apply this and hit the flashing arrow, and next we're going to hit the Cricut button. Okay, so it just finished, and let's check it out, you guys. I hope it worked. Yay! I was so nervous that for some reason it wasn't on there the right way. And then you can just kind of blot it like this just to take out any of the little, you know, scraps. Awesome. Isn't that awesome? I just got a little dirty, but wow, you guys, that's so cool. I love it. That's so cool. So let me know what you guys think. Leave a comment below and let me know. And hopefully you guys think this is as cool as I do. And it was pretty easy to do too. So if you guys haven't seen my channel before and you liked my videos, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you can not miss out on any future videos. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.